Okay, we're getting ready to change these spark plugs. In order to change the spark plugs, we've got to take off this manifold. And I'm over here at my son-in-law's house, and he's a real mechanic, and we're not messing around. This part's been seen before. So, this is just kind of watch and, you know, pick up what you can. And we'll give you a decent view of what's going on. It's not sitting on a tripod, you know, and you don't see it up close and personal. So with this video, we're going to get it up close and personal. And my son-in-law here, he's a good mechanic, and military taught him pretty well. And he's got tools I don't have, and more understanding and knowledge, you know. So, look forward to hearing back from you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe and ring the bell, tap on that bell. If you think it's good enough, share the video. Save the video. Looking forward to your comments. And just to let you know, it is like night. It's night out here, everybody. It is nighttime. So I'm thinking it's going to take several hours. He's saying no. So we will soon see.
How's Grandma?
Oh, she's, you know, your mom's my wife. I don't, you know, we're recording, by the way. So, real nice snap-on toolbox there.
Yours?
I said real nice snap-on toolbox there.
A nice price tag too.
I bet there is. They have a toolbox like that. The person either has more money than they know what to do with, or they're, you know, they're a mechanic and, you know, they happen to be able to get one.
Or is how they make their living.
Yeah. That one's the easy one. It's the one down below.
Yeah, I got a trick for it.
Because if I had a little short 1/4 inch extension, I would have been fine, but I didn't have one of those. And that's where I stopped, was right there.
Yeah. What we really should do is delete it. But
what's that?
should delete it. The EGR.
Why, it's not doing nothing?
No, it just clogs up your intake and.
Oh. Or put it into a little canister.
No, you plug it.
But then what about passing smog?
Well, they don't. No, well, this is 99, so they do probe you. Never mind.
Well, you could run it into a canister or something.
Well, no, what EGR does is it deletes NOx.
Okay.
Reduces NOx.
All right.
By inject inert gas back into the combustion chamber, you will reduce the temperature drastically, therefore reducing NOx.
And so they put that EGR valve there
to reduce NOx.
Okay, run it back through the motor.
Yeah, but only at
Now I'm thinking you may have to disconnect it at the motor too.
No.
Down there.
Nope. It's already out.
Okay.
So this slides off. That pops out. Flanged hose pops right in.
Yeah.
And then bolt it down. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is metal, but it won't be too bad. Alright.
Over here, I'm gonna get down into this area here. Get that removed. Don't you just love the tight quarters? They're really tight. I just took out and replaced this radiator. And it's completely apart. That was my last video. Well, my last one was on the how to put in the hood latch. That was actually the last one. Got your scalpel? Get into tight close quarters.
Just the size of the bolt.
I think it's like a 10. Whoops, I hate that when that happens. Got a magnet?
Yeah, at work.
No extender, huh? Here?
Work.
What about a loose magnet?
Should probably stop recording and just delete it.
Alright, we got that bracket loose on the back. And I'm going to get this hose off carefully. These older cars, your hoses get kind of dried when it break and all that good stuff.
Always twist.
Yeah, but if they're brittle, they're going to break. Or crack, you know. Something else holding it.
I'm just checking.
A hose over here on this side, in the back. In that corner. Behind, but on the other, on the back side of this.
You can see it. It's got a hose clamp on it too. Oh, a loose hose clamp.
Really, I haven't touched it. But we want to make all the hose clamps accessible, you know, not the mechanics turn it. It's make it difficult for the homeowner.
No. I don't do that.
But I know that's the standard. You just make it difficult. Turn it out of the way.
Never just yank the Plymouth off.
Where's the Plymouth?
This.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
oh, you got the wire here.
I'm setting it there.
All right, here's the other set of spark plugs. Back here in the back. And this distributor is, the coil pack is right back here. No, the ones in the front are the ones that are tore up. The ones in the back look pretty good, actually.
Nope, they're saturated with oil.
All right.
I need the valve cover.
All right, so we go get a valve cover. Got this
You have to
wire.
be very careful with these injector wires,
I'm
especially
sure.
since they're on the back side of the hot side of the engine.
Maybe they get brittle.
They get brittle.
Yeah, because we don't need to have to spend any money.
Okay, so bolt right back here for your valve cover. Brake reservoir hose. Or correction, power steering reservoir. I don't know why I said brake. Brake's over there.
That's all right.
I'm sure somebody will say something.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're recording. Yep, you're right.
Always replace this.
It's supposed to come with it, as far as I know.
Well, it should.
'Cause I got the kit, so we need to go get the valve cover now.
Let's look at the spark plugs. Let's read it.
Well, we've got spark plugs.
I understand you have them, but I like to read spark plugs. I like to see what the engine was doing.
Yeah, no, that's sure. That's a given. Do we sound like strangers? Well, technically not really, but you know.
Who are you talking to?
The future audience. Myself. Talking to myself. Okay, don't you just love, you got to change spark plugs. What a pain and what a costly job for something that should be affordable. And it's not even a Mercedes or a BMW. Shame on Chrysler for designing this motor this way. No, I don't like all that dirt there to get down in the ports.
What? Yeah.
This dirt here, all that dust.
We'll brake clean it off.
I'm just saying, you know, that's dirt to get down in the motor. And I'm just saying the whole design is bad.
Sideways mounted.
Just saying, it's a bad design. They could have done
Sure,
something different.
I don't have a spark plug.
You don't have a spark plug remover?
Alright, let me get my keys and go pull one on.
Okay. Had to come here to the auto parts. Get the valve cover gaskets. Get a 5/8 socket for the spark plugs. What a deal.